Economic blockade along Imphal to Manipur National Highway number 2 enters third day as Naga CSOs, including Naga People's Organization, NPO, still stick to its demand for a public apology from groups and individuals who committed physical assault on two Paumai men. The economic blockade was imposed since 4 p.m. of November 3 in protest against physical assault on two Paumai youths V. Rangau Blesin and Dalo by armed miscreants at Lamsang area on October 31. Naga CSOs such as NPO, Senapati District Students Association, Senapati District Women Association, UNC and Paumai Naga Union have been demanding strict action against miscreants who committed the illegal act of assault. Subsequently, Manipur police has so far arrested two men in connection with the incident. Meanwhile, about 230 trucks, including those carrying essential items, have been stranded at Mao Gate and along Mao Makhan stretch of National Highway number 2. On the other hand, speaking to SKTV News, spokesperson of NPO, Chuntoi, maintained that the economic blockade will continue until a public apology is made by those groups or individuals who committed assault. Chuntoi also appealed to valley-based CSOs to look into the matter and work towards resolving the issue so that such incidents can be avoided in the future.
This visitation is in response to the continuous harassment and extortion over our people by Meitei and Kuki community. We are receiving daily public complaints and our patience has crossed the limit. And another alarming incident has intensified these challenges. Where two individuals from our districts were attempted to murder and extorted with sophisticated weapons and seizures of Naga women commercial goods. Till now, no responsible civil society organization from the community involved has stepped forward to intervene. We would like to clarify that we are not targeting any particular community. Therefore, unless the responsible CSO take action, ensure accountability, and bring the culprit to us, we will continue our visitation. Currently, more than 230 loaded trucks remain stranded at Mauget and the Tatubi area.